Okay, stand up. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, sit down. Today we will talk about the rationalizing denominators. But before this, we need to check our homeworks, and we will do it by this method. Okay, now each student will take this piece of paper, and you should solve it. If the number in the root is greater than the number, you should sit in the first group. But if the number is greater than the root, you should sit in the second group. Is it okay? Okay. Now, one by one, please take any of it. One, only one. Okay. Here. One by one. Okay, now, please solve it. And again, who got the big number in the root, please sit here. If your number is greater than the root, sit here. Okay. Now, okay. Okay, now please turn your papers down. Okay? Переверните ваши листки, and you have one picture, you should connect it. Okay. Great. Okay, this group is finished. Can you please check it? Okay, this group is also finished. Okay, now the question, what do you see in this picture? Adil?
His grandfather or someone that's old.
Okay, a guy is helping to the old people. Okay, now here, Amira, what do you see in this picture?
Father and his son are walking in the park.
Okay, and father is like saying you are a great boy or something like this. Okay, жігіттер, қыздар, бұл негізі екі сурет осы айдың құндылығына байланысты құрмет құндылығы. Бірінші топтағы сурет ол бала үлкен кісіге көмектесіп жатыр. Оны сендер мысалы автобуста да көре аласыңдар, иә, мысалы бір бала өз орнын беру мүмкін да үлкен кісілерге. Мына жерде уже керісінше үлкен кісі, папасы болуы мүмкін, немесе дядесі болуы мүмкін, кішкентай балаға құрмет көрсетіп жатыр, оған жаңағы рахметін айтып жатыр, жақсы бір пайдалы азамат бол деп айтып жатқаны болу керек. Okay, now this is the first task. This is the first task when we here checked your homework and we discussed about the pictures. Now let's move on and open your notebooks, write today's date, and today we'll talk about rationalizing denominators. Okay, now what does it mean, rationalize the denominators? Here, the mission of the lesson will be understand the concept, то есть понять, что будет. Students, it means you, will understand what it means to rationalize the denominator and why it's important in simplifying some algebraic expressions. The second mission is apply the basic rule. You will solve some problems related to that topic. And the third mission is use conjugates for binomial denominators. Okay. Now open your notebooks and write this question. 3 over root 2. Okay. How can we change it? What should we do to rationalize the denominator?
You can multiply it by square root of 2.
Yes. Here we should multiply 3 over root 2 by root 2 over root 2. And in the final, we will get 3 root 2 over 2. And this process is called rationalizing the denominators. Please write this one, okay, and we will continue. Okay, this is just explaining the topic. What should we do? Now, the second example. Okay, Samir, what should we do here? Mm-hmm. Yes. By which number?
5 root.
Yes, root 5. We should multiply both sides by root 5. And in the end, we will get root 10 over 5. Now another example is this one. Okay, here, Gulnar, what should we do here?
Multiply root 10.
Yeah, here we should multiply both sides by root 10. And in the final, yeah, we will get 2 root 60 over 10, or in another word, it will be root 60 over 5. We will just cancel 2 by 2. Okay, please write this one into your copybooks. Okay, now the basic concept is understandable, I think. Now let's move to some questions. Okay, here are 3 questions. Now please come here one by one and let's solve it. Okay, first to come is, okay, Adil, come to the board and try to solve it. The first question, 5 over root 7. Others, please write it in your notebooks. Try to solve it in your notebooks, okay. Okay, great. Yes. Others, do you have questions? Okay. Yes, here we ideally multiplied it by root 7 to rationalize the denominator, and he got 5 root 7 over 7. Now, the next question, Gulnur, please come to the board and try to solve it. The next question is 4 over root 2. Yeah, we should multiply it by root 2 over root 2, okay. 4 root 2 over 2. Okay, great. Yes. Thank you very much. It's correct. Here, Gulnur multiplied it by root 2 over root 2. And after we got 4 root 2 over 2, and here we can cancel it by 2. Because 4 divided by 2 and 2 divisible by 2. That's why our final answer will be 2 root 2. Okay. And the last one. Who wants? Okay, Miriam, come here. 3 root 2 over 12, root 12. Okay. Yes, here we should multiply it by root 12 over root 12. Okay. Okay. Questions? Do you have some questions? Yes, actually we can continue it. Because we know that root 24, it is root 4 times root 6. And we can write it like 2 root 6 over 4, and we can cancel it. But Mariam's answer is also correct. It is okay. But if you want to continue, you can continue and write the answer in this way. It doesn't matter. Both answers are correct. Okay. The first one was Adil. The second was Gulnur and Meryem. Okay, that's all for the first part. Now let's move on to the second part. Do you know this formula? It's formula from the 7th grade. We know that a minus b times a plus b equals to a square minus b square. Why we need this formula? We need it in the second part. Let's look at this example. Here we also need to rationalize the denominator. But in which way? We should multiply. We use the previous formula and we will multiply it by root 2 plus 1. Both sides. And in the answer we get, okay, I'll explain it here. This one is, we will use the previous formula, a minus b times a plus b equals to a square minus b square. And the same we will do it here. It's like root 2 minus 1 times root 2 plus 1. And by using this formula, we will get it root 2 square minus 1 square. It is 2 minus 1, and the answer is 1. And the same is here. Now the final answer was 3 root 2 plus 3. Okay, please write it in the notebooks. Okay. Finished? Okay, let's move on. Here's another example. Root 2 over 3 minus root 5. Okay, by which number we should multiply it?
3 plus root 5.
Yes. We should multiply it by 3 plus root 5 over 3 plus root 5. And the final answer we will get 3 root 2 plus root 10 over 4. Why? Because 9 minus 5 equals to 4. Now, the last question. Root 3 minus 1 over root 3 plus 1. Okay, for which number we should multiply this one? Okay, square root 3, yeah, minus 1. And the answer will be 4 minus 2 root 3 over 2. Okay. Now, here we have two teams. Each team makes 3 problems based on this topic and gives to another team. Did you get it? Okay, you should make 3 problems and write it here. You should do the same. And after you finish it, you just change with papers. Okay? And your team will solve the problems of yours and this one from this team. Okay, please write here 3 problems. Any problems. And note that 2 problems must be simple and one problem can be hard. Okay. Not hard, but it's medium. It's okay. Okay, the first one is ready. The second one. Okay, and the third one can be more harder. You have the same first questions. Okay. The first team is ready. Okay. Now let's change it, and here, please, all of you try to solve it, and your team the same. Балжет мырза, бір түсіріп жіберсеңіз группаларда. Okay. Everyone, please try to solve it. At least help. Okay. Так, здесь кажется 9 будет. Окей, минус 7. Okay, two teams finished their work. Okay, let's say it's in the same time. Okay, please, first group, come here. All of you, come here. And, okay, here. And come here. Можете сюда встать. And let's show it to the first group. Okay, here. Okay, can you explain? What did you do?
We multiply on root of 2. And answer is 3 multiply on root 2 over 2.
Amira?
Second one, we multiplied 3 by 3 because it's squared.
Yes.
And we got 9 over root 6, and we multiplied by root 6. And then we got 9 multiplied by root 6 over 6. We
You canceled it by 3. Okay. And the final answer 3.
It's 3 multiplied by root 6 over 2.
And the last one, Mariam?
In this problem, we need use formula, and we multiply it by root 2 plus 3.
Okay.
And final answer is minus 10 plus 15.
15.
Multiplied by root 2 and
Over. Okay. Okay. You can sit. Now, Adil, Samira, Alwa, Akulpa, Nurbek, come here and explain. Сейчас закончим. Okay. Can you explain?
Here in the first task, we multiplied it by root 2, so it will be equal to 2 here, and over this.
Okay. The same question was the first one, the same question.
The second one.
Akulpa?
The second is multiply is root 3.
Okay. The final answer is root 15 over.
Over 3.
Okay. And Samira? The last one?
last one we minus multiply
By
root of 3 and
minus 1.
Equal to 3 minus 1
Over.
7 multiply root of 3 minus 1 equal to 2 and 7 root of 3 minus
over 2. Okay, thank you. Okay, each student of 2 groups will get good marks. Homework, I will send your homework to EduPage, and the lesson is over. Goodbye.